Hi students, welcome. Today we discuss the 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ether. Topic reactions involving hydroxyl functional group. In the last video discussed physical properties of phenol and chemical properties of phenol. Reactions involving hydroxyl group, reaction with zinc dust, reaction with ammonia and formation of ethers and esters. Scotton-Bowman reaction, Williamson ether synthesis are discussed. In its continuation, today we discuss chemical properties of phenol. Its continuation, reactions involving hydroxyl group. First one, reaction oxidation. Phenol undergoes oxidation with air or acidified potassium dichromate with concentrated sulfuric acid to form 1,4 benzoquinone. Okay. Oxidation with air or acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 with concentrated sulfuric acid to form 1,4 benzoquinone. Equation for this oxidation reaction: phenol undergo oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form 1,4 benzoquinone. 1 carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4. Okay, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. So carbon 1 and 4 contain oxygen substituent. So name 1,4 benzoquinone. Okay. Then next one, reduction reaction. Phenol on catalytic hydrogenation gives cyclohexanol C6H11OH. Cyclohexanol. Equation for this reduction reaction: phenol on catalytic hydrogenation at 160 degrees Celsius, nickel catalyst, okay, nickel catalyst undergo hydrogenation gives a cyclohexanol. Okay, 6 hydrogen added to phenol to form cyclohexanol. Okay, C6H11OH, cyclohexanol. Then next one, reactions involving benzene ring. Okay, reactions of benzene ring. In the before videos discussed reaction involving hydroxyl group. Okay, so now discuss reactions of benzene ring in phenols. First one reaction, so electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so already last year classes, 11th standard classes discussed. So the group like hydroxyl group, amine group, NH2 group, etc., which when directly attached to benzene ring activate the ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so presence of OH and NH2 group directly attached to the benzene ring activate the benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and direct the incoming electrophile occupy either ortho or para position. Then nitrosation reaction. Okay, first we will discuss electrophilic substitution reaction. First one, nitrosation. Okay, nitrosation. Phenol can be readily nitrosoated. Okay, nitrosoated at low temperature with nitrous acid HNO2, nitrous acid. Okay, nitrosation. Okay, NO group added to phenol. Okay, right, phenol treated with HNO2 nitrous acid at 278 Kelvin, so room temperature, under room temperature, gives nitrosopenol. So the nitroso group, NO group added to phenol at a para position. Okay, so para nitrosopenol. Then next is second one reaction, nitration reaction. So important reaction, nitrosation. First we discuss nitrosation, then second one reaction, nitration reaction. Phenol can be nitrated using 20% nitric acid HNO3 even at a room temperature, so 278 Kelvin. A mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols are formed. Okay, mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols are formed. So in nitration reaction, 20% nitric acid used. Phenol can be nitrated to form ortho and para nitrophenol. Okay, equation for this reaction, phenol nitrated with 20% nitric acid gives a mixture of product ortho nitrophenol and para nitrophenol. Okay, so a mixture of isomers are formed. So ortho nitrophenol yield 30 to 40%. Okay, so 30 to 40% yield of ortho nitrophenol. Then para nitrophenol yield only 15%. Okay, a mixture of isomers are formed in this nitration reaction using 20% nitric acid is used. Okay, then the ortho and para isomers are separated by steam distillation. Okay, as ortho nitrophenol is slightly soluble in water. Okay, ortho nitrophenol is slightly soluble in water, but the para nitrophenol is soluble in water, more soluble in water. Okay, so ortho nitrophenol is slightly soluble in water and more volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So the presence of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, ortho nitrophenol more volatile nature. Okay, then next one, whereas para nitrophenol is more soluble in water and less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, more soluble in water, less volatile. Okay, so the less volatile, more volatile. So this different, using this different, easily ortho and para isomers are separated by using steam distillation. Okay, then another one, nitration reaction. So phenol nitrated with concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid gives picric acid. Okay, gives picric acid. The concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid is the nitrating mixture. Okay, so this mixture produce nitronium ion, NO2 plus ion, and electrophile. Okay, NO2 plus electrophile. Equation for this nitration reaction, phenol nitrated with a concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid under 298 Kelvin gives picric acid. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So important reaction, important nitration reaction. So picric acid preparative method. Okay, then next one reaction, important reaction, picric acid preparative methods. Okay, so all naming reactions are very important. Thank you students, see you next class.